evening, Naimbag nga rabii, and a happy weekend. Tonight on Learn Ilocano, let's learn how to say here and there. Let's start. To say here, in Ilocano, ditoy. Ditoy. Toy. Toy. Ditoy. And to say there, diyay. Some also pronounce it as diyay. So you can say diyay, or diyay. Diyay or diyay. So that's here and there in Ilocano. And now, let's have some examples. And also, I'm thinking we should also review the last two videos. And that's, it's raining, it's drizzling, cold, hot, and now, tomorrow, and tonight. From our last video, Napudot means hot, and Agtudtudo means it's raining. So, for example, you want to say, it's hot here. Napudot ditoy. Napudot ditoy. And another example, it's drizzling. It will rain tonight. Agar-arbis. Agtudo, intono, rabii. Agar-arbis. Agtudo, intono, rabii. It's drizzling. It will rain tonight. And so that's our review and examples on here and there. And if you haven't seen those last two videos about how to say tonight, tomorrow, now, and it's raining, it's hot, it's cold, and it's drizzling, you can check below, and I'm going to leave the link there for the video. So that's it for tonight. Good night. Bye-bye. Don't forget, here and there, diyay and ditoy. Bye!